Dr. Payal Mukherjee. I'm an adult and paediatric ENT surgeon with a special interest in hearing and balance disorders. I work at the Sydney ENT Hearing and Balance Centre, which is located at the Sydney Adventist Hospital. Ear, nose and throat surgery is, so my passion is anatomy. I love anatomy. That's why I became a surgeon. And whilst I was going through anatomy at medical school, which then I started to teach as well, I particularly liked the head and neck area. And then as I did more head and neck related terms and rotations, I met some inspiring mentors and worked out that the ear for me was probably the hardest, and that's what I had to conquer. So within ENT, I've specialised in ear surgery. And the thing that I particularly like as a mother in ENT is I get to see the spectrum of the family. So I get to see the little ones, I get to see the parents, I get to see the grandparents, and it's really, really rewarding being part of that whole cycle and treating the family, not necessarily just the patient. The other thing in ENT is, as a surgeon, there is a lot of variety. So ear surgery is very different to sinus surgery, it's just very different to throat surgery, from microscopic to endoscopic to open surgical cases. So as a trainee, that was really exciting to be able to do a lot, have a lot of skills, and there's a lot of innovations that's happened in ENT in the last 10-20 years, and that's also very exciting to be part of that, part of a specialty where there is so much research possible and so many advances possible. For me, the ability to solve a problem that a patient brings, to be able to take that out of the clinic, take it to the lab, bring it back to the patient and say, I've tried to make this better, I've solved this problem, and it's actually being able to implement the research into clinical practice, to translate that, gives me so much joy. And I think I really like to see the rewards in the patient side, where they kind of think, well, we started off, we weren't sure if you could do it, I'm so glad we found a solution. And it's really particularly, it sort of lights up my day, those moments. So I particularly enjoy to do that.